Okay, so one challenge I was having was when I secured this side or the screw further away from the edge. This one didn't seem to be the screw didn't seem to be fitting in. So what I realized is I have to probably align them better. So I removed the screws and I flipped this over, and I noticed that there is this notch over here. So I think the trick is to align these two or make them sit on this notch. That way you're guaranteed that the screws are aligned to the holes. So that's what I do now. I'm making them sit on this notch. This way it's aligned better. It's sort of, yeah, there you go. You can hear it click in place when you align it. Yeah, now the screws looked aligned. Then I drop in the screw first. The one on the edge seems to be the fussier one, and I gently rotate it to see if I can catch the threads with the screw. Still seems to be going round and round. Doesn't seem to be catching the threads, but I think it's sitting well on the notches. So I'm just gonna try maybe put a little bit of pressure. Still going round and round, doesn't seem to have caught. Okay, I'll try to find a better way to do this.